I thought it was super special. So loads of people gathered in the bottom. A very, very nice program, cultural, program with music and people singing and dancing, kids and so on. But also a few great readings and stories that people were telling about how they saw the situation around slavery past and how it still affects the life of people today, and how important it is that we, after the apologies by the Dutch government, but also now the speech of the king, we need to take the next step in order to make sure that we end, especially the consequences of slavery today, racism, discrimination, as soon as we can.
You also gave an address, a speech. Maybe you can give us a little summary of it. What was your main message?
Well, the main message is actually that we should know and learn more about what happened in the past. And there was also a great speech here by Dimitri, who was telling more about the history of slavery on Seba, and that it is not, as many people thought, more like something that was kind of okay, that it was not really happening here. It happened here. We were hearing the readings of 160 names of people that were enslaved, from elderly people to super young people and babies. So making sure that we understand far more of our history is one thing that I spoke about and I find very important. The other thing is, of course, is to move ahead, to see how we can turn the tables and make sure that racism and discrimination is going to be abolished, because it's still here today. It's still within our kingdom, and it's one of the ugliest things that you can imagine, and that needs to be changed. To have not only discussions but also actions that will make it disappear are super important.